Next, as you can see here in the final solution, we have here another label and this, okay? This is called a spin box. So, next part, the label stock is equals to a label. It has a master, the master is the same master, the parent, it has a text, stock below. We have a spin box, stock, that is equals to spin box, the master is the parent. We will provide more parameters, but I prefer to show you first the spin box working. Let's pack, okay, side is equals to left, and the spin box dot pack side is equals to left. By the way, let me put here a comma, because we will need to add more parameters to the pack, and let's see what we get from here. We have the spin box, okay. One more thing, you see, everything is too much close, right? And here they are a little bit separated. How to do this? We have the path x, okay, parameter of these methods, okay. It can receive a tuple, 0 for the left, 50 for the right. Let's see what we get from this. Ta-da! You see, one important thing, this value is in pixels, okay?